These are clearly state-of-the-art. There are just certain design choices that were made for these robots that we don't fully understand. We were hoping that you could shed some light on those.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with built-in healing tech, translating wounds right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream.
With all due respect, those aren't the design choices we were curious about, Mr. Afton.
Zdravo ljudi, danas ću da igram Sister Location, yeah boy. Da ljudi, danas ću da igram Sister Location. Muhahahaha. Ok, ovo prvi put igram. Što se radi ovdje? Jo, bičke, hoćete da džuska mila, što radi se ovdje? Evo kliknem ovo dugme. Hoću da izađemo da što sedim ja ovdje. Spasite me! Ok, kako je ovo poster? Evo ga baby, tek što zašao.
This cannot be changed later, so please be careful. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad.
Ja bih to je error. To je error.
One moment. Welcome, Expeditive.
Expeditive. Čekaj, šta? Malo spušta. Glasimo sve. O, evo ga nešto. Sve to tu. Šta se dešava ovo? Night one. Već se bojim.
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work.
Ja baš ne bi to uradio. Ali, pritisnut ću. Gdje ja sad idem? Ja sam u ventu. I zašto mogu da vano shiftujem? Ok, ajde ja da trčim, ne znam što se dešava. Ok, kako se ovo sad radi? What the fuck, zašto ovo trebće?
Now, let's get started. This is the party room and studio, encouraging kids to get fit and enjoy pizza. Let's turn on the light and see if Bellora is on stage. Press the blue button on the elevated keypad to your left.
Moja leva strana. Dobro. Ovo plavo. Ne vidim ništa tamo.
Uh-oh. It looks like Bellora doesn't feel like dancing. Let's give her some motivation. Press the red button now to administer a controlled shock. Maybe that will put the spring back in her step.
Mislim da ja to ne bi radio na tvom mjestu, da pritisnem dugme da bi oživila na članika i ovo osjećaj. Fuck, što je to bilo? Bilo je nešto ovdje. What the fuck?
Bellora is feeling like her old self again and will be ready to perform again tomorrow. This is the Funtime Auditorium, where Funtime Foxy encourages kids to play and share. Let's see what Funtime Foxy is up to. Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Zašto? Ne želim da je šokiram. I opet da vidim, ali tako.
Let's try another control shot.
Čekaj, zašto sad ovo dva puta? Ovo nije dobro. Šta se tu dešava tamo? Oh, fuck, pogledaj se ovo to.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the circus gallery control.
Napred mi je jedan vent. Ok, ne sviđa mi se što imam shift. Šta ta patka, zašto ovo zvuči ko iz onaj portal gumora, taj robot.
Circus Baby's auditorium. Let's
Na
check the
park.
light and see what Baby is up to.
Pogledaj ovo lutki, izgleda kao balon boy. Gdje si balon boy, šta radiš? What's up, bitch?
Looks like a few of the lights are out, but we can fix that later. Let's encourage Baby to cheer up with a controlled shot.
A ja to ne bi radio isto opet. Šta se dešava? Okej, sad se bojim.
Let's try another controlled shot.
Nemoj opet, bojim se.
Let's try another controlled shot.
Fuck you.
Great job, Circus Baby. We knew we could count on you. That concludes your duties for your first night at the gym. We don't want you to leave overwhelmed, otherwise you might not come back. Please leave using the vent behind you, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Čekaj, kako da uđem? A, tamo je vent, ovo je dole. Fuck you! Zašto zvučiš koji strpane iz teleportare? Uspio sam! A njoj sam time to go at home. Sad sam kući.
Another day, another dramatic entry in the lives of
Šta se
Vlad
gradi?
and his distressed mistress. Where will they
Space.
go?
Pogledaj, kokice.
All of that and more happening now. Clara, I tell you, the baby isn't mine.
Bruce, I tell you that it is. You're the only vampire I've ever loved. And the baby turns
Wow.
into powdered milk.
That doesn't mean anything.
He sleeps on the ceiling fan.
Upright or upside down.
What does it matter? You need to be part of your son's life.
I'm an old man, Clara. I can't be your father.
Well, then at least pay your child support, you deadbeat.
Will Vlad and his distressed mistress find common ground? Tune in next time.
Zato što odbija vampire. Vas dvojica se plašite vampira.
I šta to je to?
Nisam sigura da i jedan od vas zna kako vampir izgleda.
Welcome back for another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will autocorrect.
Nema problema!
Thank you for choosing Angsty Team.
Ti si znači ta koja ih plaši tim pričama o vampirima. Treba da se stiriš. To je obična zabava, Charlie. Ne veruju oni u ove priče. Jer tako stupimo.
Okej, šta se dešava? Evo me, stigao sam. O, super, night tour.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. You can get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want.
Mogu da ostanem ovdje. Baš ne bi žela da ostavim to, ako znam što bi mogli da mi
So,
izlete.
funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so...
Čekaj, šta si rekao, mrtvo telo se našlo? Ajde da požurim. Sad se više bojim nego obično.
Okay, let's start with your nightly chores.
Yay!
Check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever. Whatever, ever.
Ok, zašto je ona toliko brzo?
I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her. That should be fun.
Čekaj, zašto da je zepujem još jednom? Šta se
Let's
desi?
check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Čekaj, šta se desilo upravo? I ona je mnogo blizu. Čekaj, šta ovo sad?
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Ama daj, ajde. Thank you.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Jebate, nije bila juče, neće sigurno biti ni sad.
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shot.
Čekaj, šta
Let's
desilo?
try another controlled shot.
O, neću tako da se igram. Ima da nestane struja.
Power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Motion trigger. Enter very vent. Funtime auditorium maintenance vent open. Boulevard Gallery maintenance vent open. I don't recognize you. You are new.
What the fuck?
I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this. Alien, maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There was a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Znači, ne znam da im dopustim da otvore ovo, šta treba da radim?